Because they changed the name. Because they don't like Zootopia.
Bye, bye.
Actually, oh, that's so sad. I took the last 20 classes. It's AS now, right?
Oh, it's IG. Yeah. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay.
Yeah, I might move to the Sunday one next.
Okay, same now. Same now.
Yeah. Yeah.
You mean A2, not AS, right? A2.
A2. Yeah,
Okay,
move
okay.
to Sunday one.
Okay.
Next time.
我会在。We work out the formula. This part is very important. I sent you guys early. So maybe you try. Did you try? How we find the formula? Okay. Let's check together. Anyone got the hard copy already? No hard copy? Okay. So. For us, we can do some warm-up question like a revision from last week. For example, we can do linear first one. Guys, check. We do this one first. A, B. This one first. T. C. That's the easy one. We try easy one first. A, the all easy one. Right. Okay. Easy one. Easy one. That's the first case we learned. It's called the linear. The question asks you, what's the nth term? Okay. The one we circled is a linear. Linear means just something times n plus a constant. Always in the exam. Linear, always in the exam. Rather than A.
9A.
Very good. Oh, we prefer just the formula. They ask you what's the next two terms. That's too easy. We prefer formula. The nth term, if we say symbol, you can write un or an equals 9n. 9n. That's for part A. That's the nth term, part A. Un or an depends on what symbol a teacher prefer. That's A. Okay. You can double check if n equals 1, you got 9, n equals 2, you got 18, 3, you got 27. This type of question always in IGCSE and NCE level 1. Okay. Some question will be excellent one. Rebecca, what's this 2a?
Is it 4n plus 2?
Excellent. You can say an equals 4n plus 2. Very good. Heidi, 2b.
6n plus 7.
Excellent. This an equals. That's the linear one. Selena, C.
6n minus 3.
Excellent. Ethan, E.
Yes.
Oh, Ethan, E. Okay.
Oh, sorry. You said my last.
Your last name is.
Sorry, 10n minus 10.
Yes. I think your last name is E or Ye.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Not this one?
It's yeah in Chinese.
Oh, you mean here?
Everyone just say yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. 10a, 10n minus 10. Very good. Victoria, 3a.
4n minus 3.
Excellent. Oh, you guys very good at the linear sequence. Raymond, 3b. Can Raymond talk? Hannah, 3b. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3n plus something. Gordon, plus what?
Plus 4.
Excellent. Because the previous one is 4. Okay, this is a linear sequence. Linear sequence, we have another name. Do you know the other name for linear sequence? It's called arithmetic. Arithmetic sequence. We try to touch some year 12 stuff. In year 12, we don't call it a linear sequence. We call it arithmetic sequence. Okay. Yeah, NCEA exam. IG always there, like this. Hey, last week we discussed a lot quadratic sequence. Victoria, do you remember what's our method? If you have several numbers, what's the first step? What do we find out?
Difference.
Yeah, we find the difference. And then after you got this difference, what next step? You find the difference between differences. Okay, we find this difference. And this difference is 2a. Remember what we learned? This difference is all the same, which is 2a. Selena, the previous one is good equals this. And this previous one, just C. Remember, that's how we work out the quadratic sequence. We try one. Number one. We try number one. Oh, number one probably too easy. Number one. What? It's a weapon. Some new revolution thing. Yeah. Double-sided.
贴好大的一半儿，你上面写的什么？
Okay. Someone got the formula already? Very good, Jacob. Isabella, find the number. Because we got the original number. We are doing number 1, 2, 5, 10, 17. That's number 1. Very good, Sophia. The first time we work out difference. 3, 5, 7. 2a just 2. A equals 1. A equals 1. And 1 plus b, the previous one, just 1. B equals 0. This is just 1. So C just 1. So an squared plus bn plus c, just n squared plus 0n plus 1. Plus 1. Very good. Now, we need to try one more. Which one look harder? Which one look harder? Number 7. No. Just double check if you remember the method we learned last week. Number 7. Okay. Are you? Oh, Sophia. Very fast. Okay. You find the difference. 6, 10, 14, 18. 4. So A just 2. This is 2A. A just 2. And the previous one, just 2. This is a plus b. A already 2. B equals 0. The previous one, -2. C equals -2. Very good, Sophia. Okay, so 2n squared minus 2. Okay, yeah, double check if you remember. We work out the difference. We work out the difference between differences. You got A. After you got A, we go backwards. We find the B. The previous one is A plus B. The previous one is C. Actually, remember this method? Okay. Why we can do this way? Why we can do this way? Very important. If our nth term equals an squared plus bn plus c, Victoria, if n equals 1, what do you have? N equals 1 means the first term. If n equals 1, Victoria, this one just change to very good. If n equals 2, it's just change to Jin. Jin, okay. If n equals 2, what do we have?
4a plus 2b plus 3.
Excellent. If n equals 3, true. What's that? N equals 3. N equals 3. What's n squared?
9.
Yes, 9a plus n equals 3.
18.
3b. Oh, that's not 6. That's b. That's b. Okay. Plus c. So that's the first 3 terms. Alina, difference.
Difference is 3a plus b.
Heidi, difference.
5a plus b.
Very good. Ethan, difference.
2a.
That's why we have 2a. Eh? So which means here also 2a, right? And then Elisa, what's the previous one? 5a plus b, 3a plus b. What's the previous one?
1a.
Yeah, 1a plus b. That's why the previous one equals a plus b. And what's here? C. That's actually why we got this formula. Why we have this formula. Oh, 早上新西兰. Okay. Okay. We really just use the algebra to prove the method. Okay. That's quadratic. Of course, you can use this original method. For example, we try one question. Number 5. We try original method. If n equals 1, we got a plus b plus c, which is the first one. In the sequence, actually, what's the first one? Number 5. What's the first one? The first one is -2. The second one, 4a plus 2b plus c. Actually, what's the second one? 1. The third one, 9a plus 3b plus c. At least that was the third one. Very good. 6. This equation formulate. Oh, solving this equation, everybody can solve it. You can really just use calculator for this equation. You got calculator? Nobody got calculator? Calculator? Oh, that one okay. That one okay. That one can solve. Oh, my one cannot solve. Oh, your one can solve. What type of 胶带? Oh, okay. I can find for you. Yeah, the calculator can solve this equation. Oh, this one, yes. The graphical one. I need to check where we got the tape, cellular tape, right? Oh, gosh. Oh, the screw coming out? Oh, broken. Okay. Yes, this calculator can do it. If your calculator have this one, guys, manual equation. If your calculator got a manual equation, you can just do this. Manual equation. Because there is a simultaneous one. Okay? Manual equation.
Is it the one where it's ax squared plus bx plus c?
Next one.
Ax cubed?
Next one.
No, it's the previous one. It's the second.
Or maybe ax plus by plus cz.
Oh, a and x plus b and y plus c and z equals to d.
Oh, yeah. That one. That one ideally for this. Oh, yes. In one as well. Alina, just try some algebra way. Manual equation number 5. And here, number 2. Oh, yes. Simultaneous. Number F1. Unknown, we got 3 unknowns. You just input the value. Hello, guys. If you got a calculator, in the equation manual, you just input the numbers. In calculator, you input 1, 1, 1, negative 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 9, 3, 1, 6. Manual equation, and then F1. Manual equation, and then F1. Manual equation, then F1. So you lose the screw, or is it
this just broken to 2 and now I have to take it.
Oh, yes, 3. F2. Input this one. You just input all the number, and then enter. The calculator give you x, y, z. In our question, it's like A, B, C. What's x? You input 1, 1, 1. Negative 2. Yes. 1, yeah, like this.
Wait, so it's
1,
also 1.
1, yeah, probably 1, negative 2, and then next. X1, Y0, Z negative 3. Cool, yeah. 1, 0, negative 3. So, from the calculator, 1, 0, negative 3. That's why n squared minus 3. N squared minus 3. Or n squared minus 0n plus 0n minus 3. You got the answer? Yeah. Yes. You got the answer? Nice. Okay. Brandon, what calculator you have? The basic one? No, we cannot do that. Okay. We do algebra way. Okay. But this is just the calculator way. Of course, Heidi calculator, Selena calculator, Rebecca, Ashley calculator. You just input this several number into the calculator. The calculator gave you x squared minus 3. Calculator just gave you the formula. X is n. We don't do that now. That one just one step. We need to learn some method. Yeah, what I mean is your guys' calculator. You just input the data. You use something in the black box. Yeah, I don't have it now. And you have the answer n squared minus 3. Because calculator really advanced. Okay, but for us, we need to learn more algebra. Okay, that's the calculator way. We are doing number 5. Let's do calculator way. Let's do algebra way. In the exam, you can do calculator, but during study, we try algebra. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 3 minus equation 2. We got the equation 4 and the equation 5. Equation 5 minus equation 4, what do you have? Hurry up. Copy down, this is working. Equation, we really did the same thing when we proved the way to find quadratic sequence.
4点，今天起8点，你就说4点。今天14号，我今天起好早。我现在睡的剧1、2点钟睡，我不像之前熬到4、5点钟，在那个通宵。我开始影响到咱们几号？昨天，对，你是下周一吗？下周一开始，不是下周一，你是下周一。又开学，不是过年那天你和所有人走过？对呀，所以你和所有人都是。我准备到时候买个穿墙机，把学校墙穿。我觉得你之前拍点柴把学校拆。烦死了！我告诉你，我这学期不分到那个 L 跟，我也不分了当内，我投诉。当内那些好死了。反正去年前年对，那个好。我们去年那个 Miss L 跟。
I can find some later.
Miss 啥呀
Ella
？Miss Allen。哇
，Miss Ella 是什么？
就我的Don Blaine 的去年的我10年的哇，跟屎一样。
Okay.
中午，它这个地方是前面是3，那我怎么得出来C是多少？
你干嘛去呢
3减3就是2，因为不可能C 就等于2。是。那这个的话就是6。手都很切的话，我还得开光。那这个算是你干嘛？
压毛了，烦死了。
Okay. Lisa, equation 2 minus equation 1. 4a minus a. 3a plus b equals 1 minus 9 to 2, positive 3. 5a plus b equals 5. So we got this. And if you minus them again, we got 2a equals 2. A equals 1. If a equals 1, put this one back into equation. What's b? Put everything into this equation. A plus b plus c equals -2. What's c? That's algebra way on. You actually have some pace on.
Is this how you compute? Is how like you show working?
Oh, how you show algebra way. Yeah. That's how we do algebra way. Because in the exam, sometimes they give you some more hint and the idea same. Okay, that's like a pure algebra way. You can say it's like an algebra working. Okay?
好气。
Okay. B. What's B? B just 0. C -3. So the answer is same, n squared minus 3. This is like algebra way on. Our quick way just find the difference. But the same idea, same. Okay. Why we discuss this? We are going to learn another type of sequence today. Guys, let's jump. Which one look like 7? Let's check what happened to number 1 here. 11, 18, 37, 74, 135. Difference, guys. What's the difference? We are doing number 1 here. What's the difference? Brandon, difference.
The difference is 7, and then it's 19.
Excellent.
And then it's
37. 61. Brandon again.
12, and then 18. No, 24.
Oh, these 3 not the same, which means not quadratic, not n square. Brandon again, the difference.
6 and 6.
This means we have n cubed. Okay. Something n square, something n something. We have n cubed. How we got the number here? We just divide 6. Brandon, what's the number in front of n cubed? Just divide by 6. 1. After you find the difference of difference, you divide by 6. You got the number in front of n cubed. Okay, which means for this sequence, inside we have some information about n cubed. Okay. How we find other numbers? Next part. Because we know n cubed already. Alina, tell us some cube number. The first one. What's the first one? Cube number. Oh, 1 cubed equals 1. 2 cubed equals, again, 2 cubed. Again, what's 2 cubed?
2 times 2 equals 4. That's 8.
Yes. And Lisa, 3 cubed. 27. 4 cubed. 64. 5 cubed. Yes. Okay. Now, let's check the difference. Selena, what's the difference? Oh, they all 10, right? They all 10. Which means n cubed plus 10. Finished. After you got the information about n cubed, we minus the cube number from the sequence. The remaining part is 10. Okay. Yeah, Ethan mentioned the cubic sequence last week, right? Ethan? You asked the cubic sequence?
I asked which one.
Yeah.
Thank
This type of tape. Hello? But this is not the clear one.
It's okay.
This tape is for the wall. Oh, it looks like a paper tape. So if you got the cube number, we just minus. And for the remaining part, we can do it. Then try one more. Number 2. Guys, number 2. Number 2 are 0, 6, 24. It's really like a back to primary school, how you do addition, subtraction. Difference, 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 difference. Find difference, guys. And the difference, 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 and difference. They are 6. Which means inside this sequence, we got a part of cube number. Divided by 6, we got the number in front of n cubed, which is just 1. Rebecca, we got n cubed. Next step. Again, we got n cubed. We minus cube number from each. -1, -8, -27, -64, -125. What do you have? Actually, oh, we got -1. Second one, 2. Third one, -4, -5. Eh? Which means, what's the formula for -1, -2, -3, -5, -5? Oh. What's the formula? Minus n. Because 91, 92, 93, 94, what's the difference? 91. So we got 91. Previous one, 0. Just 91. 红的是 square cube number， 就是1的3次方，2的3次方。哦，我们要把它减掉。Because we calculate this n cube, so we minus from the original sequence. You remove the cube number, the question easier. 对啊。
你看这个，它这个也是1的3次方、2次方、
那你11减
Can't you also do that with the quadratic sequences?
所以说这个就是把1的1次方，1到0得减1，2 6再减
2的3次方，6
哦
的减
8 6.8
对
6.8
We try to minus them. Okay, try number 3. Number three. Yeah, these 2 weeks we try to learn the hard part. So after school start, you feel more confident. Yes, number 3. We're checking number 3. Let's check again the difference. Probably finally we got 6 as well. Number 3. 3, 22, 59, 120. 7, 19, 37, 61. The difference, difference. 12, 18. They all 6, hey? Which means in the formula, again, we got n cubed. After we minus n cubed, let's check the formula. N cubed just 1, 8, 27, 64, 1, what? If you minus, we got -5, -5, -5, -5, -5. Guys, try number 4. Yes.
Why do we minus them by the
Oh, because inside this question, we got n cubed as some component. For example, guys, you can pretend this is someone send you some secret code. And this code got several components. N cubed component, n and some other n squared. Now, we got the information about n cubed, just n cubed. If you minus them, if you minus from original sequence, only have easy ones. Okay? But our one is so easy. After you minus n cubed the information we found, we don't even have this. We just have -5 here. Okay? This idea very important. Try number 4. Number 4. Find the difference. Of course, Rebecca and Ashley, you guys calculator can give you the formula without any working. But we don't learn that way now.
上组觉得靠背太高，靠背让我做错。我想到你在考什么？超级四道题，才能会做错。那我都拿了1级，我只能说明你抄的不好。你抄的是第2个那个，你 bra， 那个我是韩国，抄了430道题。然后我发现那一页都是最难的，只有难的不会，可能是那咋了？不难的你会了。没学过，上面没听过。今天去打车会了。
啊。 This one. Yeah, after you check the difference, the final still 6, so still n cubed. We minus 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. What do we have? We have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What? The information left just n squared. So the answer, n cubed plus n squared. Oh, we find the difference.
Between all those numbers.
Yeah, we try to minus n cubed. After you minus n cubed, you got n squared. That's why n cubed plus n squared.
27。哇，数学，这个会了，这个会。那
That's right, number 4, n cubed plus n squared.
然后那这个地方除以6，
Very good, Sophia. Number 5.
就因为这个，它有几个数就写几个，写到比如它有6个，比如说它这后面还有1个数，那你这个地方写6个数字，然后呢，这个是5个，你要上面的数减去它，然后得出来的数，再看它们的规律，就是你最终答案。那你这个，它每一个都是这个数的平方，让这个它们的名字都很好。
Okay. Number 5. Let's check if it's harder. After you find the difference of difference, it's still 6, right? Still 6? Oh, which means inside we got n cubed. But after we minus cube number, this one minus 1, you got 6. This one minus 8. What do we have? 14. Minus 27, minus the cube number. We got 24. Minus cube number, 36. What's the difference? 8, 10, 12. What the remaining part, quadratics, right? This equals 2a, a equals 1, so n squared. The previous one, 6, right? This is a plus b. A is 1, so b equals 5, and the previous one, 0, 0. This is harder. N cubed plus n squared plus 5n. Number 5 is harder. After you minus the component of n cubed, we find it's a quadratic sequence. Quadratic sequence. So we got this. After you minus n cubed, the sequence change to a quadratics. Quadratic, we find ABC. We find ABC.
对，而且n3加 n2加 n 加
Okay. This is 2a, a just 1. This is a plus b, so b just 5. C just 0. Okay. Number 6. Number 6.
还是在两条纸，我这边写满。
好。
老师这边也能给我一个。
好。
谢谢。如果一进去之后得出来的就可以不是6，哪怕是12，那就是
Thank you. Yes.
前面的时候它要减掉2，这个2n。
Yes. Very good question. Yeah, Alina find something. If we find the difference of difference, not 6, it's 5, which means we got 2n cubed. That means when we minus, we don't minus 1, we minus 2. We don't minus 8, we minus double, 16. We don't minus 27, we minus 55. So we got 2n cubed. Very good. Very good.
算没错。
就是这么你2.3怎么减的？
Okay. Okay, next one, the one after. It's okay. Read the 6, 7, 8. Read all the questions.
通常灰，就那种灰不是什么，就是一个虫子画的。
Nice. Okay, this is very hard. You can do easy cool, quickly calculate the difference. 21. 39. Oh, 63. 93. What? 93? 18. 24. Oh, again 6a. So just n cubed in the formula. Now we minus n cubed. We remove the information for n cubed. The remaining part we'll have a look at. So you got the 6, 20, 50, 64, 66. Like this. 6, 20, 50, 66, 14, 30. What? Where I got wrong? I think I got some mistake somewhere. Oh, minus 40 here. 14, 20, 26, 660. We got 3n squared. Because this is 2a, 3n squared. The previous one, 8. This is a plus b. So b equals 5, which means we got 5n -2 minus 2. Oh, number 6 is the most hard one. Actually, you got the answer? Oh, good. Yep, number 6 is the most hard one so far. Because after you remove the information from Q, it's totally a quadratic one. Quadratic one. Okay. Oh.
再套了一个，也就是说2个这种的在一块儿，你就把它最后它减去1，减去8，减去20，减去27，减去64，减去25，把那个
Yeah, really depends on your calculation.
那个数再重新算，从这个地方把它算一遍，然后2个合在一起就是。因为你从这个算出来的这个3次方，再从其他算出来的变化，因为这个好难。
So number 6 is annoying. Again, the NCEA calculator and the Cambridge calculator can work the formula without working. Okay, that's our method. 7, 8 homework. 6 is the most hard one. You better redo it. Okay. So that's cubic sequence. Is there any question about cubic sequence? Of course, we better try one. The idea mentioned by Alina. To Alina. We design a question. Okay, we design a question.
6的。
Okay. 3. $18. 57. 132. 255. Find the formula for this one. Oh, maybe I got a mistake.
No, I was just wondering, so then do we do that, like, after doing that is 2? And then
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Alina. 15, 39, 75, 1, 2, 3, 24, 36, 48. 12 divided by 6, we got 2, which means we got 2n cubed plus. Now, 2n cubed give you, n cubed give you 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. 2n cubed give you 2, 16, 54, 128, 250. We need to minus this 2n cubed from the original one. Minus our original one, 3, 18, 57, 132, 255. If you minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just n. This is just n. Plus n. This is just n.
another question.
Yeah.
Why did we divide by 6 again?
Oh. For the quadratic one, we just divide by 2, right? Why we divide by 6? Good question. Let's have a try. Why we divide by 6? Hey, Lisa. Our formula is an equals an3, an squared, bn plus c. That's our formula, huh? Alina, if n equals 1, what do you have?
A plus A plus B plus C.
Lisa, if n equals 2, n equals 2.
2A A plus
A times 2 cubed, which is 8a, 4 little a, 2 little b plus c. N equals 3. Victoria, 27a,
plus 9A
9a.
plus 3B plus
Victoria, what's the difference here?
7A
A.
plus 3A plus B.
What's the difference here, Victoria?
19A plus 5A plus B.
Very good. Victoria, if n equals 4, what's that?
64A plus 16A plus 4B plus C.
Okay. Victoria, what's the difference here?
37A plus 7A plus B.
Nice. Selena, what's the difference here?
12A plus 2A.
Selena, what's the difference for next one?
18A plus 2A.
Alina, what's the difference now?
60.
Yes. That's why we divide by 6. Okay. Copy down this. That's why we divide by 6. A lot of algebra there, huh? A lot of algebra.
小手拍个用热水拍挺好看的，我靠！然后瞧这速度有点差，可死了！我又得看到草人是吗？对，那 snow。好的。
002吗？那天我问星光说星光回去，他们还要找虐的。咱一起玩的。
然后这个不可能就是你们找的，然后那个都不是编的怎么样？你没发现？
他怕他自己最
对，他就跟他说，那还不能查，要不甚至有标的，他司马懿就全第9到时候拿出来给你别人输了还是怎样看看？不拿菜。
我是另外拿，他的蓝是挺菜的，他那个他想把白的手给打一个，找我妈一个。
然后后面就朝他太瞎了。
而且要练。
就你懂我感觉他就拿最菜，他拿绿色的，你看那个绿标。
你们是去
Okay. That's how we find the secret. The other one? Oh, we just minus double quadratic sequence. I mean, double the cubic sequence. You mean that one?
Yeah.
Oh. 2n cubed is 2, 16, 54, right? Yeah. Original sequence 3, 18, 57. Yeah. You minus that, yeah. And you find 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Oh. This one 6. Okay. Good. Sophia, very active, very good. Now. Dun, 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 dun. We did exponential last week. We have 2 types of exponential. One, you can write the formula A something n. Or the other one, you got A something n plus B for exponential. We're revising A, B, D. Now, revising A, B, D. For A, every time the number times by 3 times by 3 times by 3. So the formula, just you can see y. A 3 to the power n. If n equals 1, we got 2. The first point, the first one. N equals 1. So A equals 2/3. That's why the answer an 2/3 3 to the power n. That's A. B 25, 5, 1, 1/5. Just always times by 1/5. That means A 1/5 to the power n. If n equals 1, we got 25. A equals 1 to 5. So the answer, you can say y or an. A is just 1 to 5. Yeah, this bracket okay on here. Doesn't matter. You need to calculate the power first. Let's B. D. D we always times by -3. That means y equals a -3 to the power n. A just 1. So the answer, y just equals -3 to the power n. Okay. Yeah. This last week and this week we learned we kind of the most hard part in this numbers or algebra numbers patterns patterns. Oh, where's the n? There's n here. Victoria, okay? There's this case. We need to revise the second case. I'll make up a question. G. 100, 103, 112. 139, 220. Find the formula of this. Find the formula of this. check this one, you should remember. Okay. The difference 3, 9, 27, 81. So for this case, we got y equals a3n plus b. If n equals 1, we got 100 equals 3a plus b. N equals 2, 103 equals 9a plus b. Minus them, because 3 equals 6a, a equals half. B equals 98.5. So, formula, half plus 98 and half. That's the formula. Okay, up to today, we finished the pattern, the sequences. We got a lot of questions in this worksheet. You can do it. The answer in WeChat group. Oh, you can check. If you check the difference, we find the difference. This one just times a number, no plus b. Just times a number, no plus b. But after you find the difference, it's times a number. In this case, we have plus b. Okay, take care, guys. Very good.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What are we learning? What are we learning this year?
What we're learning?
Yeah.
For this group is year 11.
Okay.
IG mixed with some NCEA question.
What's the hardest thing we're going to learn?
In IG, I sent the question to your mom already.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
What is the answer to Alina's question again? This one.
Oh, after you minus this, you need a minus from the original sequence.
Yeah.
Then what do you have?
Just 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, which means just n.
So it's just n. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, the same as n. Okay. Bye.